Hello, I'm Mateusz and this is Martha. Today we have prepared a choreography for the song Love Story. Well, it will be Vienna Waltz, so let's start. Alright, so let's start. So we will start our choreography facing each other. We'll show you back to you. So we are approaching to each other for the whole 8. Then we change the direction for the 8. We hold our hand, and we go, and later on we stop. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so on third 8, we form the frame. Okay, so look at the frame. So the lady gives her right hand to man's left one, and man's right hand is on lady's shoulder blade here, and lady's left hand is on man's shoulder or arm, actually as you wish. Alright, so look, we approach to each other for the whole 8. We give our right hand to the lady, hop, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The lady walks around, and man's hand leads the lady, placing her hand on my arm. Then the man turns through right arm, and we form a frame. Okay, 7, 8. Then we go forward, backward steps, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then I turn the lady. Look. 5, 6, 7, 8 with left hand. Look, hop, 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 and a frame. Alright, so here we have a basic step of Vienna Waltz. So we stay opposite to each other. Like this. Of course, we dance it in a frame. The lady is on right leg. Then left leg will be backward, left backward, tap with right one, then right one forward, tap, left one. And now the band, look. Right leg forward. 1, 2, join. 3, 4, 5. When I take a forward step, look. Step, tap. Do not join or straighten the knees. But look. Right leg, tap. Body weight is on a right leg. Now left backward, tap. Now body weight is on left leg. So this move has to be smooth all the time, like this. Let's have a look. Look how our legs are moving now. Alright, like this. Okay, so look. We are in a frame. Look, Vienna Waltz is a swing dance, so it would be really great if you add more swing in your steps. Right, look, taking a step, we go a bit up and down. So we form the effect of a swing, right? Because it has to be the swing, right? Like this. Alright? So, we are in a frame. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Join the legs. Now the man turns the lady through her right arm. Look. Left, right, and then basic step. And now the man, look, right leg forward, lady left one backward, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and now 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we'll have from and to each other. 1 and 2 and 3, and now we go and change the place. And ladies turn. 3, 4, hop, hop. We place the hand and from each other. Okay, so maybe once more. Look. 1 and 2 and 3 and taking step. Man, right leg. I raise my hand, hop, joining, changing hand, and we separate a little bit. Alright, I'll show you once more. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, and now I take a step and I turn the lady. 4, 5, 6. All right, the lady goes, look. Right, left, right, like this. Yeah, I'll show you. And she turns through. Right arm, look, twisting a little bit, look, twisting right, left, right, hop. Look, and the man taking a step forms a nice window here, right? The place for the lady. Hop, turning, and like this, hop. Now the leaning, my right hand is on lady's waist, holding her right arm, left one is here. And now we have the leaning, like this. The lady is on her right leg, left one is at the front, our body weight is on a right leg. Yeah, we bend left knee to make a shape, a nice shape. The man forms the shape as well. Look, hop, zoom. The lady is on right hand, right leg, then left one is here, and then going up and joining legs. All right, so maybe once more, look, from this moment. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and now man right leg forward and we dance a basic step of Vienna waltz. Lady right leg as well. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on 5, right leg and smaller steps, a little bit smaller. I turn the lady, left hand behind her right arm, okay, hop, turning, our hands are crossed like this, yeah? Yeah. Then right leg forward, rising our hands, look, hop, and again we form a nice frame. Okay, so maybe once more. Look. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Look, 7, 8. And now maybe from the very beginning to this moment, okay? So, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, and now basic step of Vienna waltz around the circle. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we just move from one leg to the other, turning around the circle. Okay, so when you take a step of Vienna waltz around the circle, yeah, look, taking every hop, I change the direction, yeah? All I do is just like I change the direction. So left leg, more outside, look, hop, hop, right, left, right, left, and now I dance around the circle. Okay? So once more, look, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's the end of the first stanza. And then we will have the chorus.